Hey there, VG Tribe. Welcome back to the channel where we make tech simple and AI your new best friend. Today, I'm going to show you how to master ChatGPT in just 6 minutes and use it to skyrocket your productivity, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator. Ready? Let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the basics. Where do you actually find ChatGPT? Just open your browser and head to chat.openai.com. I'll put the link on the screen. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to sign up using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, you'll see this simple chat interface, just like texting a friend. This is where all the magic happens. You can start typing any question, task, or idea, and ChatGPT will respond instantly. Now that you're logged in, let me show you exactly what you can do with ChatGPT to save time, boost creativity, and even make money. Let's go. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT: content creation. If you're trying to grow on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, coming up with content ideas every day can feel like a full-time job, right? Watch this. You can literally ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me 5 viral video ideas for teaching Canva design tips." And boom, in seconds, it gives you fresh, creative, and platform-specific ideas. Need a script too? No problem. Try something like, "Write a 1-minute script about AI for beginners." It'll write a full video script, complete with an engaging hook, clear structure, and even a call to action. This is where ChatGPT really shines. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, you can generate captions, titles, hashtags, descriptions, and even email newsletters. And the best part, it saves you hours of brainstorming so you can focus on what really matters, creating and connecting with your audience. Now let's look at how ChatGPT can even help with learning new skills faster. First, be specific. The more details you give ChatGPT, the better the response. Example, instead of saying, "Write a blog post," try saying, "Write a 300-word blog post for beginners about saving money using AI tools." When you're clear about your tone, audience, and format, ChatGPT can tailor the output exactly to your needs. Next, use follow-up prompts. You don't need to start from scratch every time. Example, revise that to sound more casual. Can you shorten this to a 1-minute video script? ChatGPT remembers your conversation, so you can tweak, refine, and rework your content in real time, just like having a smart assistant by your side. And finally, save your best prompts. If you find one that works well, copy and paste it into a doc or notes app. Blog writing, video, scripts research, help social media captions. Over time, you'll build a powerful go-to library of prompts you can reuse for writing, brainstorming, scripting, and more. Coming up next, I'll show you how to combine these tips with a few creative tricks to make ChatGPT even smarter. Let's go. Now that you've got the basics down, let's take it up a notch with 3 pro-level tricks that will unlock even more value from ChatGPT. Ever wish ChatGPT could think like a professional? Just assign it a role. Example, act as a YouTube strategist. Give me a content plan for growing an AI tutorial channel. Pretend you're a travel blogger. Write an Instagram caption about visiting Morocco with eco-friendly gear. This sets the tone and context, helping ChatGPT respond like an expert in exactly the way you need. You can also tell ChatGPT how long or short you want your result to be. Example, summarize this article in 100 words. Write a 30-second video script in a casual tone. This is super useful when you're creating content for platforms with strict time or space limits like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Finally, combine ChatGPT with other tools for a powerful workflow. Examples: use ChatGPT to write your script, then use CapCut or Canva to edit the video. Generate product descriptions, then post directly to your Shopify store. Create a blog outline, then expand it with Notion AI or Grammarly. This multiplies your productivity, saves you time, and helps you create polished content faster than ever before. And that's how you turn ChatGPT from a chatbot into your personal creative powerhouse. In the final part, I'll show you how to practice using what you've learned right away. Now that you've seen the magic of ChatGPT in action, it's your turn to put it to work. Here's a simple challenge. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Act as a YouTube coach. Give me 3 catchy video ideas to teach people how to use Canva for Instagram. See what you get, then tweak it. Add more detail. Ask follow-up questions. The more you practice, the better you get. Got a cool result? Share it in the comments, or tell me what tool you want to learn next. Leonardo AI, CapCut, Canva, you name it. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the description for helpful links. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. You don't need to know it all right now. Just start. Practice a little every day, and you'll be amazed at how far you grow. See you in the next video.